wanted to do a quick video on something that I just faced that I had to end up Googling, and hopefully this can help somebody out if they come across the same situation. So I got my car, started it, it said replace key battery soon, which is weird because the key really isn't that old. Things happen. So I thought, well, I better do this now before I forget and I get locked out of my car since there's no keyholes on the outside. It's better safe than sorry. Also, I don't know how much of a warning they give you. Like, I don't know if it's like a month before it goes out, but either way, I was leaving the gym, driving past an auto parts store, and I was like, I'll just stop and get a battery. The whole question that we had to kind of Google was how to open the compartment for the battery, where exactly it was at on the key fob. First thing that you wanna do is flip out the key. Next thing you wanna do is take a flathead screwdriver and you stick it where the key went and turn it counterclockwise. And the battery compartment cover will come off. And right there is your battery. If you can see that, it is a 2025. They're at just about probably all automotive stores. I just got Energizer because that was the only kind that they had, which Energizer's a good brand, so I just went with it. You take the battery out, watch out whenever you stick something right in that little hole right there and pop it out, it's gonna go flying. So after you get the old battery out, obviously put the new battery in, and then to close it, you just do exactly what you did to take it off, besides the screwdriver part, and that's it. That is how you change a key battery in a GTI key or Golf key or any other Volkswagen key for that matter that looks like this. The battery is only $6 and I got a pack of 2, so $3 a battery, not a bad deal. So that is it. That is how you change a battery in a 2018 Volkswagen GTI, or like I said, other Volkswagens that have the same identical key.